Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about break and continue keyword in PHP. What is working of break and continue in PHP with loop? Break keyword. So when we used break keyword in loop, it will end the loop when it reached any specific condition. We will provide a condition. On the basis of that condition we will break the loop. Break the loop means finish the loop or end the loop. So in example, for example, I used a for loop. Initial number is 10 of I variable. I will be greater than or equal to 1 and decrement operator. It means that it will generate number from 10 to 1. But in the body of the loop, I provided a condition. If I is equal to 4, then you have to break. So, and curly braces, and then number is I is the current number of loop. So it means that when a value of I is reached to 4, then we say that loop should be break. Break means remaining number you did not need to display. So 1, 2, 3, so these three number will be displayed. But in this case you can see that 10 to 1. Now in this case 10, 9 and 8, 7 and up to 5 number will be displayed. 4, 3, 2, 1, these number will not be displayed because I created a condition in which I said that when I value is equal to 4, then you have to break the loop. So this is a break keyword. So another is a continue. It skip item or value as provided in condition and continue to iterate other items. So there is some difference between break and continue keyword in PHP. For example, I created a for loop, and again this is same one. When I is equal to 4, then continue. Continue means you have to skip only this number and you have to repeat or display remaining number. So it will display number 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and it will skip this 4 and then it will display 3, 2 and 1. So 3, 2 and 1. So this is difference between break and continue keyword in PHP. Practically you will be understand when I provide example about break and continue keyword in PHP with loop. In a Visual Studio Code, just create a new file and save this file, break and continue.php, and then HTML basic structure. This will be a break and continue with loop. And in the body section, what you have to do, PHP, and then what I have to do, for, and this is a basic structure of for loop, and here will be a initialization. A variable I value is equal to 1 and semicolon, where I should be less than or equal to 10, and then I should be increment. And then in the loop body, what you have to do, echo I number. All the number of I will be displayed to user. I want to make duplication of this file, and then break and continue. You can see that 1 to 10 number are displaying here. I want that number should be displayed on the new line. Every number should display on the new line. When refresh, you can see that now I want to use a break keyword. Before displaying number, I want to create a condition. If I is equal to 3, then what you have to do, you have to break the loop. When I refresh this one, you can see that 1, 2. When I value become 3, it will break the loop and finish the loop and the loop, and it will not display remaining number. When I use a continue keyword, what will be result? It will skip only 3 and display remaining number. And refresh, you can see that 1, 2, and it skip 3 and 4, 5, 6 up to 10. So this is a difference between break and continue keyword in PHP with loop. So this is a for loop. I can also use another loop. iterating same number, while condition is that I should be less than or equal to 10, and I want to use another variable. Initialization is that n is equal to 0. It should start from 0 and then echo and then we are, when I open the browser, refresh, sorry, increment operator n plus plus, and then one, so duplication, and then this break and continue keyword. You can see that from 0 to 10 number are displaying, these number are repeating or generating using while loop. Echo using while loop, now what I have to do, I want to use break and continue keyword before displaying. If n is equal to 6, then what you have to do, I have to break the loop and I refresh. When I value becomes 6, then it will break. So you can see that 5 number, up to 5 number displaying, but it will ignore 6 and also remaining number. But when you use continue concept means it will skip one number and display remaining number, remaining iteration. So this is a working of continue and break keyword in loop.